Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can get the location of a web element on the page using the location page method. So which takes a locator of element. So we are opening the page and giving login link locator to location method and getting the location. So let's run the test. So test started running, browser up and opening the site and getting the location of the login link. Report. Okay, two tests are running, so it means that the key is two tests have same keys. That's why. So here we can see this is our test and this is the location of element, X location and Y location. That's it. Thank you.